Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will guide you how you can install latest Windows 11 26 H2 and you can install at any hardware or even on any computer. So let's start the installation. First of all, I would like to inform you that how you can download the Windows 11. So you need to click onto the Windows 11 download. So inside the download, you will get officially 25 H2 version. So in order to download 26 H2, you need to click onto the Windows Insider Preview. Once you click it, you need to click on this. And after that, you have to make sure that you are logged in with the Microsoft email ID. Means if you don't have any Microsoft email, you can just create onto the hotmail.com or outlook.com. It is absolutely free. Just you can create it and you need to log in here. So I have already logged in my email ID. And once you log in, then you will have this page. Then you have to scroll down it and you need to select the respected ISO. And most importantly, if you check all the list, you will not find any 26H2. So you have to keep remember that build 26300 8935 25H2. This is basically 26H2. So once you install this build, you will have 26H2. So you need to click on this and confirm. And once you confirm it, then you have to select your respected language, confirm. And then finally, you will have a download option. Then you need to click onto the download. So look at the size of the ISO. It is approximately 7.9 GB and it would take some time, obviously. That's depending on your internet speed. So once it is downloaded, I will be back. So we have successfully downloaded the ISO and let me show you. If you go inside the downloads, then you will have ISO. This one is a insider preview and it's 263,300. This one is the ISO 26H2 and now we need to cut and we need to go inside the C drive and we need to create one folder like win 26H2 and we need to paste it here. So once done, then we have to right click on it and then we have to click onto the extract here. So it will take around 30 to 40 seconds and then it will be extracted. So file has been extracted and now we need to open. It is almost done and now we need to open the CMD and run as administrator. Then we need to navigate the respective folder. CD double dot CD win 26H2 and then here we have the file. Now we need to type the command. I will give this command in the link of the description, so no need to worry about that. And just you need to hit enter. So once you hit the enter, the installation wizard will be started. And watch this video till end because there are some necessary steps. Now, for time being, just we are not updating. We can update little later. So not right now. Next. And now need to wait for a while, getting the things ready for you. So now we have to accept the license. Accept. So keep the files and settings and all the apps as it is. Hit next. And now it is getting the things ready for you for the installation. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. So now you will have this option. So you are trying to install pre-release copy of Windows. So you need to enable this. And let's enable it. And once you enable, then you need to restart your computer. After enabling it, you need to restart your computer. This is very important step. Restart. Then you need to again go inside the command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator, navigate the same folder again, and you need to type same command again. So you can see that now this time we have a different option. Continue from where I left off. So we need to select this option, keep it on default, and just hit next. Once you hit next, then you will have it. It is saying that making the things ready for you. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. So finally, we are good to go and ready to install. You can see that install Windows 11 Enterprise inside the preview. And why Enterprise? Because my Windows 10 is basically Enterprise. That is the reason. If you are using Windows 10 Pro, then in your case, it would be Windows 11 Pro. So keeping all the files and settings and data as it is without any data loss, just we need to click on to the install. So you can see that 26H2 is being installed in front of you. So it would take around 30 to 45 minutes. Once it is done, I will back. So finally, Windows 11 26H2 has been installed successfully, and let me show you the Win version. So you can see that it is 26H2 and OS build 26300. So it is the latest Windows 11 26H2, and you can install through this way forward. And most importantly, this Windows 11 26H2 has a lot of amazing features, but definitely we will talk about in any other video. So kindly hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends and subscribe my channel. Stay safe. If you have any question, you can mention in the comment section. I will reply you as early as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.